third and final altcoin that I've chosen to showcase to you today is Crypto.com. A bit of CRO coming through. We're going to be starting off here on the daily, guys. As you can see, rising parallel channel. Very good. Looking for a very nice breakout scenario coming through here. What I would say, we do have a volume weighted ATR band as volume weighted ATR band at 0.24, 24 cents there. This is something that I would be looking for in terms of a take profit if we are looking for a breakout scenario. To be honest, we're literally on the cusp of a long trade there, so we're actually clearing new highs. I've actually probably missed this over the last hour or so being on stream there. So yeah, pretty annoying. But in terms of a measure move for this position to be looking out for, there's always going to be a pullback, guys. There's always going to be another opportunity to enter there. But yeah, there's definitely a long position to be looking out for here for Crypto.com. Over the last throughout the next few days or so, this is definitely something I would be looking out for. But definitely what I would say, guys, is nothing I said is financial advice. Please go do your own research on these trades. I wouldn't just enter them blindly. We're going to be looking at around a 24% gain for this if we are going to be entering. Actually, probably a little bit less, actually. We're going to be entering around here, probably around an 18.7% gain there in terms of a swing position there for a breakout for Crypto.com. We're literally in the cusp of a breakout, looking pretty good. But as you can see here, guys, we do have multiple reversal levels in terms of trend lines coming through there. So what we're going to do, we're basically going to be plotting some trap zones, right? We're going to plot in some trap zones on a parallel scale. That's actually works out perfectly in terms of the completion of the measure move, but just in case we do actually bang it up to this level first, we're not going to be completing that measure move just as of yet, guys. So this is going to be acting as a take profit point for us. In terms of a take profit point, I'm pressing the wrong button. In terms of a what is happening here? It's that one, isn't it? In terms of a take profit point for us there, guys, I'm going to be banging in a horizontal, and that's going to be sat around 0.2629. And also, as I said at the start of the stream there, guys, we do have the volume weighted ATR band, banging it there with a horizontal as well at 0.2459. So that's going to be another take profit for us to be looking out for. And then also from there, I probably might even set one before that, maybe at 2381 and take 25% there, just because you can see we actually reverse very thinly in these zones, right? Very fast. So there's not really that much to go on in terms of correlative points yet. But yeah, interesting stuff. And you can see how that does line up very well with that volume weighted ATR band there. So yeah, definitely a take profit point there. But yeah, you know the drill, guys. Stagger your take profits all the way up. Otherwise, you're gonna get wrecked. No, it basically prepares you for any sort of reversal in the price there. But yeah, that's what I want to say about Crypto.com on the daily, and that's why it's claimed my altcoin of the day. Let's move down a time frame coming through to the 4 hourly, just because we cleared the volume weighted ATR band. We know how progressive that is in terms of an uptrend if we can clear that, because we know how strong the resistance can be from that zone. You can see we've actually banged it up from there. Very nice progression. So yeah, we could be looking at a very nice spike here on the 4 hourly. Very nice indeed. What I would say is we do have a mini parallel channel coming through there. We were looking for a nice breakout from that, but what I would say is we actually started banging it just as I was just as I started streaming there. So yeah, pretty unfortunate. But yeah, as you can see, guys, mass levels of support to the lower side here. Very good indeed. Mass levels of resistance to the top side there. So yeah, if we are going to come back down and we are going to lose this zone at around 21 cents, I would actually expect us to actually be coming down from that zone. But in terms of a breakout scenario that you are looking for right now, it is actually pretty big in terms of a measure move, right? For a nice swing position here for like a nice day trade to come through there. Nothing too crazy, nothing too big, and you're near enough there actually. You're near enough to seeing the completion of the measure move. As you know the drill, guys. Staggering the take profits all the way up, and looking around 11%, 11.25% there. Currently up around 7.61% for the day there. So yeah, we've still got a little bit of way to go there, but yeah, if you are looking for a nice little potential scalp position coming through there, we could be looking at around a nice 3.5% gain there for the completion of that measure move. But yeah, stop loss, it would have to be very tight indeed, and you are in the mix of a completion of the measure move anyway. So yeah, it's not the in terms of risk reward, it's not the best situation in the world, but still definitely something to be looking out for there. But yeah, let me that's pretty much it. That's gonna be it from me in terms of Crypto.com and altcoins of the day today, guys. And then we're going to be moving through to the altcoin request. But you can see we're actually really breaking this high coming through there. So yeah, really not too bad. And the volume weighted ATR band on the hourly as well is going to be holding us up as a level of support. So yeah, really quite good for Crypto.com. Definitely one to watch today, guys. And that is why I claim one of my altcoins of the day.